Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's problem statement is sum of two integers. So in this video, first we will get the inputs from the user using scanner class. Then we will create the variables to store those inputs and add them using this operator, then print the result. That's it. So I already created the addition class. Inside the addition class, I created the sum method. It's a static method. The return type is void. So let's dive into the implementation. So first we need to create a scanner object. Scanner, object name is scan, new scanner, system.in. Using scanner object, we get the integer input and store it in the integer variable. Number 1. Int. Number 2. Scan.next int. And using plus operator to addition. Number 1 plus operator. Number 2. And store the result into some variable. Number 1 is integer, number 2 is integer. So after addition of these two numbers, it will produce integer value, that is sum. Now we need to print the sum. System.out.println. We shall say it's a sum. Let's print the sum. That's it. In the main, we need to call that method addition.sum. Just run the program. In the console, it asking input. That's why the cursor is blinking. I hope you can see this. I will give number 1 is 12, enter, number 2 is 12. The sum is 24. Again, I run this program and I will give 2 and again 2. Its sum is 4. So I hope you can understand this problem. It's a simple problem. Also, you can do this using subtraction. Sorry, not here. Here using subtraction and multiplication, etc. Thank you.